My name is Boris Tillum. I'm the principal for MADNESS Autoworks. My wife and I actually started MADNESS Autoworks in 2008. So this year is our 10th year anniversary. And what started out as a project in our spare bedroom has now become a globally recognized name. We are pretty excited to have a great team, 2 locations, Southern California and right outside of Austin, Texas. We have 20 plus members in our MADNESS team, with many of them being with us since practically the company has begun. We're not just catering to local enthusiasts in Southern California or the Austin area. We're shipping products on a daily basis to all over the world. We could be shipping a set of floor mats to a customer in Newfoundland, Canada, to overnighting pieces to Italy for a movie shoot. It is just really amazing how much it's grown and just how many enthusiasts from all over the world we're able to touch. We look at your vehicle as a canvas, and what we do is we supply the brushes and the paint. If you would like to get some advice on how to create your masterpiece, hey, give us a call, drop us an email. If you're nearby, stop by and visit us in person.